بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our enrichment activities. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdethi. These are activities we use to add knowledge and to have different exercises to gain more skills. We started with numbers, singular and plural. Today we will have different. These are also focused, and I got all these activities from your unit, My School. This is the second unit in your book. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, we will practice writing. So we will write all the time. So have your notebook, some pencils or pen ready, because we need to improve our handwriting. Today we will not be writing letters or numbers, we will be writing words. Next, we will revise articles. If you could remember, we had a and an. When do I use a, an apple, a book? Also, we will practice reading. I will introduce word families again. So let's start. This is the cover of your book. And this is the cover of our unit, Unit 2. The name of the unit is called My School. It is called My School. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be writing, so please have a piece of paper, your notebook, some pencils or pen, because I need to improve your handwriting. And get ready and be ready to repeat all the words you hear. We will start with something that is called sounds. What do we mean by sounds? Okay, let me explain what sounds mean. They are the voices we hear. How do I pronounce the word? How do I say the sentence, the letter? Okay, for example, as you can see, here I have one picture with 4 words that is just different. The letter, the vowel in the middle is different. Okay, so for example, I have leg, lug, and lag. Okay, different words. But what is the correct sound here? What's the correct sound? So it's very important that you listen to me and help me circle the correct answer. So the word here is a log. It's a log. Which one is it? Is it option 1, 2, 3, or 4? Actually, it's the third option. Very good. It's a log. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. I have 6 socks, sacks, and sup. What do you think? You already know this one. The answer is 6. Okay, let's go to the next one. I have a picture. What is this picture? Is it a web, a web, a web, or a wap? What do you think? Actually, it's a web. Very good. It's a web with an E in the middle, okay, with the vowel E. Last item here I have map, mip, mip, mop. So which one is it? Actually, the answer is mop. It's a mop. So it is the last one, the last word, the last sound. Very good. Let's take different examples. Okay, let me read the words and then I will name the picture. I have jet, jat, jot, and jet. Actually, it's the last one, but if you focus well, it's pronounced the same as the first one. Jet with an I is the same as in jet with an E, but because we know this is a jet, which is a fast plane, this is our answer. Next one I have vin, van, van. So what is the correct answer? I think you can get this one. Actually, it's a van. It's a van. Okay, let's go to the next one. I have a top, tap, tip, tip. Which one is it? Actually, the picture, this is a tub, a bath tub. So this is our answer. Very good. This is our. Now I think you can get what the word sounds mean. Last thing I have kit. Actually, it's a set. Cat, sit, and cut. Our answer is it's a cat. Very good. It is a cat. Now, different items with different option. Sun, sin, san, sin. Where is our answer? It's a sun. Very good. The answer is a sun. Different sound. Okay, I have bus, 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 and bass. Our answer is a bus. So where is our word? Is it option 1, 2, 3, 4? It's a bus, so this is our answer. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I have gym, gum, gym, jam. Our answer is gum. Very good. Our answer is a gum. The last item or the last picture here I have tin, tan, ton, and 10. Our answer is 10, but you heard 10 twice. Is it the first one or is it the last one? Actually, it's with an E in the middle. Very good. It's with an E in the middle. Now I have 4 options, different options. The first one is ran, ran. So what is it? Where is the word ran? Try to, by the shape of the letter, the sound. This is ran. Very good. Next one I have tan, tan. This is tan. Very good. This is tan. Next word here I have man, a man. Very good. That is a word. Next one I have is pan, pan. It's the one in the middle. Very good. Next word I have can, can. Very good. It's a can. Last one I have is a van, van. Very good. As you can see, all the words have the same sound. An, can, van, man. Very good. Now, I think here we need to check your vocabulary. These are some of the items we already introduced in our semester. For the first one, is it a cat or a bat? Same sound. At, cat, bat. It's a cat. Very good. Next one, I have a map or a cap. Up. We have a cap. Excellent. Next one I have a picture of an animal. Is it a bat or a rat? At. Our answer is bat. Next one I have can and pan. An. Our answer we have a pan. Very good. Next one I have van or fan. An. Same sound. Our answer we have a van. Next one, I have hat and rat. What do you think? You already know the word hat, so the answer is rat. At. The answer is rat. Man or pan? What do you think? Man sound an. Last one I have cap, map. Up. Our answer is map. Very good. Now, it's time to write. So have your pencils, have your sheet of papers ready. We will not be going to write numbers or letters as this. We have done this so many times. How to write the shape A, capital and small, also B. You can go ahead and practice that later. But today, we want to write the entire word, okay? As you can see, we will trace first. We are going to trace the letters here, and then I need you to write the word without tracing it. For example, I will start with the word fan. make sure you are writing between the correct lines, okay? And I'm sure because you are using your pencils, your handwriting is so much better than mine. Okay, so I have fan. Let me trace it one more time. Fan. Make sure you are writing between the specific lines, okay? Let's go to the next one. I have the word man. Make sure you are writing correctly, okay? Don't forget to leave a space between two words. Man. Okay? Next word here I have ran. Try not to go above or below the lines. Ran. Very good. Next one I have pan. These are the words that we read maybe 5 minutes ago. Pan. Let's write it one more time. Make sure, as you can see, sometimes I'm staying between the two lines in the middle, as in man and ran. Sometimes I have to go below, below as in pan, or above as in F, fan. Last one I have is van. Make sure you are writing correctly, please. Van. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide. Let's have different words here. I have sat, mat, fat, pat, and hat. Let's go ahead, try to write with me. Sat. Make sure you are writing correctly, please. Sat. I will try to write it here without tracing. Sat. Okay, let's move to the next one. I have mat. Make sure you are writing, tracing, copying, mat. Next word I have fa, fat. Fa, fat. Next one I have is pa, pat. And the last one I have ha, hat. Let me try to write one here and trace this one. Very good, my dear student. Are you ready for more? Now I have different words that all start with the letter B, ba. Let's trace the first one, bird. Go ahead and copy, bird. And let's copy one more time, bird. Very good, my dear student. Next one I have the word ball. Ball. Let's go ahead and copy that. Ball. And one last time, the word ball. How about this word bee? Bee with double E. Very good. And for the last word, and this is a long one, so I'm going to just trace it. Butterfly. Butterfly. Very good. I'm sure your handwriting are improving and much better than mine. Now, it's time to read. So what I need you to do is try to read as many words as you can here. I'll be introducing something that is called word families. What do we mean by word families? It means the words that have the same syllables or the same 2 or maybe 3 letters. Let me give you an example. For example, here I will introduce family an. All the words that have the two letters will be pronounced the same. Let me prove this to you. Ban, can, an, fan, man, an. Same sound, right? Ran, pan, tan, van, clan, plan, scan, than. As you can see, I have the same sound, an, pan, can, fan. Okay? So, this, what we call, is a word family. Word family are a group or a set of two, maybe three letters that have the same sound. What is different is perhaps the letter that comes before or after. So let's go ahead and read the letters, the words one more time. I have the family words here, an. I have ban, can, fan, man, ran, pan, tan, an, van, clan, plan, scan, and than. So here I have the word family, an. Let's introduce another one. I have all. So here I have three letters. Before I have two letters, a and an. Here I have all. Word family last. Let's go ahead and read together. All. Ball, call, fall, all. Tall, gull, wall, hall, all. Small, stall, a pole, squall, all. As you can see, all these words have the same sound. All. Ball, ball. All. Call, fall, tall, and so on. So let's go ahead and introduce this family one more time. Here the family is all, A-L-L, all. All, ball, call, fall, tall, gull, wall, and hall. I have just one letter that comes before these words or these letters and change the whole meaning, okay? Small, stall, appall, squall, thrall, install, overall, baseball, okay? Same sound, all. Let's introduce another one. I have IP. That is I-P, okay? I-P are the letters. The sound is IP. What do I mean by IP? Let me read some letters, some words. IP, hip, okay? IP, lip, and so on. So let's go ahead and read. Hip, lip, nip, dip, rip. Okay? You got the sound, right? Blip, skip, chip, slip, clip. Same sound. Ip. Let's go ahead. Flip, ship, trip, grip, and whip. Same sound. Ip. Let's go ahead and read our words one more time. Remember, the word family here is IP, that is IP. Hip, lip, nip, dip, rip, ip. Blip, skip, chip, slip, clip, ip. Flip, ship, trip, grip, and whip. The sound again is whip. Ip, okay? Now, I have also three letters here. Ink. The word family, ink. Ink. Let's go ahead and read the words. Have ink, link, mink, pink, ink, wink, rink, ink, blink, stink, ink, think, drink, and so on. So these are the same sounds. As you can hear me say the words ink, ink, link, ink, ink, mink, ink, ink, pink, ink, ink, drink, ink, ink, think. So let's go ahead and read the words one more time. Ink, link, mink, pink, wink, rink, blink, stink, brink, think, clink, and drink. Very good. This is the family sound ink. Now I have a different one. Now, try to read this one. We introduced this word in our I letter. If you could remember, we introduced it as the word ice cream. Ice, ice, ice. Ice cream. So here I have the sound or the family last word that has ice. Ice, ice, ice. Let's go ahead and read. Ice, dice, lice, ice, 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 mice, 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 nice, rice, and vice. Let me stop here. And let's go ahead and read the words to your left first before we go to your right. Okay? So here I have the sound ice. Ice, ice, ice. Okay? So I have the first word ice, dice, lice, mice, nice, ice, 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 rice, vice, ice, ice, ice. Let's go to the left to right. I have twice, ice, 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 advice, ice, 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 device, entice, splice, and thrice. All these words have the exact same sound, ice, ice, ice. Let's go ahead and read them one more time. Ice, dice, lice, ice, 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 nice, 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 rice, vice, twice, advice, device, entice, splice, and thrice. Okay? So, how about this sound? It's the sound I'll. I'll. Okay? Now let's try to use them in a word. I'll, bile, bile, bile. I'll, file, file, file. Okay? So let's go ahead and read the words. I have I'll, bile, file, mile, Nile, pile, rile, tile, vile, and smile. All these words have the same sound, which is the sound I'll. Let's go ahead and read one more time. Bile, file, mile, Nile, pile, rile, tile, vile, smile. Remember to smile, my dear student. Let's introduce also A and N. What are A and N? As we took in the last week, they are articles that are used when we are talking about one item and one item only, singular, right? For example, to your left, when do I use A, my dear student? I use A when the word is starting with a consonant. Like for example, here I have a cat. I have the consonant C, cat. Also I have a dog, very good. For the next side, I have an. An is used if a word is starting with a vowel. For example, I have apple, A, an apple, orange, O, an orange, ice cream, an ice cream, umbrella, an umbrella. So these are what we mean by vowels. Let's have more examples. As you can see here, to your left, I have the words that's starting with an, the article an. But look at the words or the letters that I have underlined for you. I have E, A, and O, okay? All of these letters are vowels. I have five vowels in English: A, O, U, E, and I. Okay, an eye, an actor, an oven. But you have to remember that I only use an article, a and an, with a singular. Moving to the next side, I have a tree, a dog, a bed. T, D, B are consonant. They are consonant. Now, what do I have to use here? A or an? Elephant. It's starting with a vowel. Elephant. An elephant. Very good. An elephant. Excellent. A car. A car. A. C. Lemon. L. Consonant. Lemon. One. Element. Very good. Unicorn. Unicorn. Here I will use a unicorn. Sometimes we can use an, but a is more correctly because uni here is one word or one syllable that is treated as one word. A unicorn, like a university. Okay? Akron, an. Teacher, a teacher. Very good. Let's have more example. Ice cream, an ice cream. Umbrella, an umbrella. Very good. House, a house. Oven, an oven. Eye, an eye. Pencil, a pencil. Now focus that I have one item of each. One pencil, one oven, one ice cream. Let's go ahead and try to do this as fast as possible. Book, a book. Ant. What do you think? A or an? A or an? An ant. Very good. Cat, a cat. Very good. Apple, an apple. Bow, a bow. Very good. Girl, a girl. Elephant, an elephant. Igloo, an igloo. Very good. Eye, an eye. Remember, we have one of each. Kite, a kite. Egg, an egg. Octopus, an octopus. Okay? Now, let's try to remember what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we introduce sounds. Words that have the same letters as in aisle, file, smile. Hip as in hip and lip. Also, we practiced some handwriting. How to write words correctly, not letters, not numbers. We need to start writing words in order to write sentences later. Also, we revised articles a and an, how to use them, when to use them. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.